Tita? Tita? Hey, hey! Go. Kolla här. Hon vill inte. Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Kom här Liam, say hey. Du syns inte. Inte på den. Hey. So today we're gonna do an unboxing of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold. It's 256 gigabyte. Let's start. So let's check it out. Kalindot! Pilit pa. Liam. Wow! Lyxig, det ser ut. So after 3 years, I will get a new phone. I'm using my iPhone 10 to video this, film this, or yeah. So excited. Ang ganda nito. Kom, jag ska öppna. Maya na yan, ha? Vad kallas det för? So let's check what's inside here. This is SIM card key. Something. Just that. And the manual. And there's Apple sticker. Then let's put it aside. The cord. Then I bought this one because it doesn't include the new iPhone. You have to buy it separately. It's 20 watts. Lightning cord. The USB-C to lightning cord. It will charge faster. I haven't opened it yet, so let's open this. I also bought this from Apple Store. And my other, the Mophie 3-in-1 wireless charging stand, I bought it also from Apple Store. This one I can use this when I'm outside. I can bring this one. It's charged faster when I'm in someone's house. Now let's move on to the phone. Look, it's gold. I really like the design. Sosyalan siya. Let's open it.